Hey there. This is a correction to next episode. You are seeing a sneak peek of State of Project by episode 16, but the correction is relevant to what is going to be in the next episode. So listen carefully. If your grid is not square shape, so width and length is not equal, then when you will be pathfinding, it will be throwing an error like this. I made a crucial mistake inside the init method. In the pathfinding, I accidentally flipped the width and length. So to fix this error, your init should look like this. In the next episode, check the pinned comment for code if you will need a reminder how it should look like when I will be talking about init.